What's up, Stash family? Mike the Investor, and last week I did not invest my $15 weekly deposit into my stash portfolio, so it has carried over to this week. So we're going to be investing that $15 in this video into one of those positions, and also we're going to be looking at the entire stash portfolio as well. So if this is your first time hanging out on the channel, be sure to go ahead and smash that like button for me, and also click that subscribe button as well, so that way I can see you all back next video. Let's jump into it. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead and pull up the Stash app so we can see how the portfolio is performing. So as we can see here, my portfolio value is $1,241.56. I'm currently down at 0.38%, which is equivalent to $4.75. Now, as we can see, for the cash to invest, I have that $15 there, which is from my last week's investment, but I did not invest it into any positions, but we're going to do it in this video here, so stay tuned. So as we scroll on down here, we're going to hit the see all. So that way we can see all 7 positions here in my stash portfolio. So this portfolio is a mixture of growth companies as well as dividend companies. And I did it that way because I wanted to receive the best of both worlds, in my opinion. So as we look at the first growth company in my portfolio, it's going to be Aurora Cannabis. And now as we can see, my total value is $222.14. I am down at 0.78%, which is equivalent to $1.74. My average price is $13.35, and for my number of shares, I have 16.76 shares in this position. So if we hit the overview, we'll be able to see Aurora Cannabis last price is $13.25 for 1 share. So if we go out of Aurora Cannabis, the next position will be Facebook. Now this is my largest position here in my stash portfolio. So if we scroll on down a little bit, we'll be able to see my total value is $240.21. I'm currently up at 24.94% on this position, which is equivalent to $47.95. Now my average price is $186.09, and I have just 1.03 shares in the Facebook position. So if we hit the overview, Facebook's last price is $232.50 for 1 share. So if we go back out of Facebook, we're going to look at the first dividend position here in the portfolio, which will be Comcast. And as we scroll down a little bit, my total value is $168.31. Now I'm down on this position at 9.38%, which is equivalent to $17.42. Now if we look at the average price, $43.95, and for my number of shares, I just have 4.22 shares in the Comcast position. So if we hit the overview, we'll be able to see their last price is $39.83 for just 1 share of Comcast. So after looking at the Comcast position, we're going to look at Ford. Now this is the only position that I am wanting to sell out of, which I have been mentioning in my last stash videos. So if we scroll on down, you can see my total value is $131.21. You can see I am down at 26.33%, which is equivalent to $46.88. My average price is $8.84, and I have a total number of shares of 20.15 in the position of Ford. So if we hit the overview, their last price is $6.51 for 1 share in Ford. Now I'm kind of kicking myself because the last recent rally that we saw in the position of Ford, they gained about 11 to 12% in just 1 day. I believe I should have sold out of that position at that time. I still would have lost some money. I would have lost about $30 in the total position, but I would have been okay with that because I believe I will lose a lot more in the future if I don't get out of this position soon enough. So after looking at Ford, we're going to move down to Keurig Dr. Pepper here. And this is a company that I like that you don't hear talked about a lot. This is the third largest soft beverage company in the United States after Coca-Cola and PepsiCo. So as we move on down, my total value is $163.84. I'm currently up at 0.26%, which is equivalent to just 43 cents. So as we look at the average price, it is $28.49. And I have a total of 5.73 shares in the Keurig Dr. Pepper position. So if we hit the overview, we'll be able to see for our last price, it is $28.57 for just one share in Keurig Dr. Pepper. So after looking at Keurig Dr. Pepper, we are going to move down to corporate cannabis. Now this is the only exchange traded fund that I hold in this portfolio. So as we move on down here, we'll be able to see my total value, $155.07. I'm up on this position at 6.71%, which is equivalent to $9.75. Now for my average price, it is $12.73, and my number of shares, it is 11.41 in the corporate cannabis ETF. So if we hit the overview, the last price is $13.58 for just one share of this ETF. So after looking at corporate cannabis, we are going to look at the last position here in my portfolio, Berkshire Hathaway, and this is also the position I'm going to be adding that weekly deposit into as well. So as we can see here for my position, my total value is $145.78. I'm currently up at 0.98%, which is equivalent to $1.41. Now my average price for Berkshire Hathaway is $179.80, and I have 0.80 shares in this position. So if we hit the overview, we'll be able to see their last price for Berkshire Hathaway Class B is $181.55. So now we're going to hit the buy sell, hit the buy button, and now we're going to hit the cash to invest, $15. We're going to hit the buy button. Now I do know the market is closed, but this purchase will go through first thing in the morning, and we will be able to see what my new position is on the next stash update. We're going to go back to my investments, and as we hit my transactions here, you'll be able to see I have that $15 pending here for June 15th. So that is all 7 positions here of the stash portfolio. As I scroll up so you can see again, we're going to go back and we're going to scroll up one more time so that way you can see the portfolio value, $1,241.56, and I'm currently down at 0.38%. So that is my stash portfolio. That is all 7 positions. And if you like the Stash app and you haven't used it yet, go ahead and click the link down in the description. There's a free $20 that you can start investing on this platform today. I'm Mike the Investor. If you haven't checked out my personal website yet at MikeTheInvestor.com, go ahead and check it out. And on the next video, let me know what you think of it in the comments section. I'm Mike the Investor. Remember to stay inspired, stay motivated, invest in yourself, and I will see you guys back next time.